Alright, what's good with y'all? Today we back with another video, and today we're going over Ken Carson preset in FL Studio. This is a video many people have been asking for, so here it is, and let's just do it. And the song we're remaking today is called Delusional by Ken Carson. So yeah, let's just do it.
This bitch must be delusional. She thinks she perfect. She thinks she worth it.
And before the video starts, I just want to let y'all know that I've launched a site, and the site will be up here. On that website, I will sell high quality vocal presets like this one. This is a really high quality preset. And yeah, we're just gonna get right into it. We're here in FL Studio, of course, and here's the original song.
This bitch must be delusional. She thinks she perfect. She thinks she worth it.
And okay,
Carson Delusional.
yeah. I'm just gonna play the vocals for y'all raw, so y'all can hear how it sounds before the preset. So this is how they sound before anything.
This bitch must be delusional. She thinks she perfect. She thinks she worth it. Everything I do be so unusual.
And when we turn on the preset, we get this.
This bitch must be delusional. She thinks she perfect. She thinks she worth it.
And with the beat,
This bitch must be delusional. She thinks she perfect. She thinks she worth it. Everything I do be so unusual. She think I'm cheating. Hell yeah, she think I'm flirting. You pop shit on accident. I pop this shit on purpose.
Hit your bitch on accident. I
Hope you got insurance.
fucking on your bitch for hours.
Cause yeah, I got endurance.
Can't react how I used to react. Yeah.
I'm mature.
the last bit is so accurate. I don't even know how I did that. Y'all, I'm gonna show y'all.
React. Yeah. I'm mature.
Yeah, yeah, I'm mature.
It literally sounds like Ken with that autotune voice crack.
I'm mature.
I'm mature.
I'm mature.
It's so accurate, y'all. This is probably one of the most accurate Ken Carson presets out there. So I really, if you fuck with Ken Carson, I really recommend you to grab this preset, bro. Because this is straight fucking accuracy right here. This straight heat, bro. All right. So what we got in the chain is obviously autotune, and then we got an NS1, which takes out a little bit of that.
I can't show y'all live. So we got the autotune, obviously pitches the vocals, and the NS1, which takes out the background noise. Y'all hear that in the background? Slices out everything. And here we got the EQ. So it basically like cleans out. And yeah, we're gonna leave that on. And then we got the routes. I routed these two. This is a little bit of reverb to just get that ambience sound in the background. Y'all can hear it without. If I turn these off, it's kind of dull, just nothing in the background. But if we turn them on, yeah, we get some background shit. But yeah, this is basically to spread it out a little bit in the stereo field, so it doesn't be like just in the middle of the mix. But one thing I also want to show y'all is, wait, let me turn this shit off.
So one thing I also want to show y'all is when you turn on the master preset. So here we got the Ozone 11. This basically just masters the song with using AI. So we're just gonna turn that shit on, and then we get this.
This bitch must be delusional. She thinks she perfect.
I'm gonna switch between turn it off and turn it on so y'all can hear how it sounds with and without.
This bitch must be delusional. She thinks she perfect. She thinks she worth it. Everything I do be so unusual. She think I'm cheating. Hell yeah, she think I'm flirting. You pop shit on accident. I pop this shit on purpose. Hit your bitch on accident. I hope you got insurance. Fucking on your bitch for hours. Yeah, I got endurance. Can't react how I used to react. Yeah, I'm mature.
So what the master preset does is basically just makes the vocals blend in more with the beat and just spreads it out a little bit, so it's much more pleasant to listen to. But yeah, that's basically the preset, bro. Yeah, I can show y'all live how good it sounds.
I gotta turn the Ozone 11 off because it adds a lot of latency. Okay. This bitch must be delusional. She thinks she perfect. She thinks she perfect. Everything I do be so unusual. Yeah, she pop shit on purpose. I pop my shit on purpose. And then at the end of the day, I hope you got insurance. I'll be on your bitch for hours. Yeah, I got it. Basically, I can do it live. You can probably do something. God damn, bro.
That's the Ken Carson preset. If y'all want to grab it, it will be in my shop. I will leave everything in the description. And also, I got a Discord server with over 1,000 members. And yeah, I think y'all should join that shit too, because it's a great community. You can share your songs, get feedback, and just download free presets that everybody shares with each other in the Discord. And also, I will upload this preset on my site, so definitely go grab that shit. I want to thank y'all for the support lately on the videos. Y'all been going crazy, liking, commenting, everything. I want to thank y'all so much for that, because y'all are making this shit possible for me to do. So yeah, I really appreciate every one of y'all. I'm gonna keep doing this shit, and I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.